The Journey Within. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden hue over the winding streets of Lisbon, Elara felt an inexplicable pull towards the unknown. She had embarked on this solo journey, not merely to explore the cobblestone alleys or to taste the vibrant pastéis de nata, but to rediscover herself amidst the chaos of her bustling life back home. Each morning, she would meander through the Alfama district, the scent of grilled sardines wafting through the air. The locals greeted her with warm smiles, their laughter echoing through the narrow passageways. It was here, in the embrace of the city's rich culture, that Elara began to shed the layers of her former self, an overworked professional who had long since forgotten the joys of spontaneity and wonder. One afternoon, she stumbled upon a quaint bookstore nestled between two towering buildings. Inside, the musty scent of old leather and parchment enveloped her. As she perused the shelves, a tattered journal caught her eye. Leafing through its pages, she discovered the musings of a traveler who had once roamed the same streets, documenting not merely places, but the profound revelations that accompanied them. Inspired, Elara purchased the journal and began to pen her own thoughts, capturing the essence of her experiences. Each word became a thread weaving her back to herself. As she prepared to leave Lisbon, she realized that this journey was not solely about the destinations, but the transformation that occurred within her soul. With a heart full of memories and a newfound sense of purpose, she was ready to embrace the world and herself once more.